Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy pancakes at home. Start by gathering flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, eggs, and butter, then measure carefully. Mix dry ingredients in one bowl and whisk wet ingredients in another, then fold together until just combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly grease it. Cook until bubbles form, flip once, and serve warm with your favorite toppings. Keep your mixing gentle and relaxed when making pancake batter so the texture stays light and fluffy. Use a 1/4 cup scoop to portion pancakes for uniform cooking and a pleasing stack. Let the pan fully preheat on medium, then test with a small drop of batter to check temperature. Flip pancakes once bubbles appear and edges set, then cook briefly until golden brown so they stay tender inside. Experiment with simple flavor boosts like vanilla extract, cinnamon, or a pinch of salt to elevate your pancakes. Gently fold in mix-ins such as blueberries or chocolate chips so they distribute without deflating the batter. For serving, balance sweetness and texture with butter and real maple syrup, plus fresh fruit or yogurt for brightness. These small choices make homemade pancakes feel special and approachable for any morning or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.